We all know breakfast is important. It's often called the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. It's the meal that kickstarts our day, providing the essential nutrients and energy we need to tackle our morning tasks. A good breakfast gives us energy, helping us stay alert and focused. Whether it's a hearty bowl of oatmeal, a protein-packed smoothie, or a classic breakfast sandwich, the right meal can make all the difference. We need energy after a long night's sleep. Our bodies have been fasting for hours, and breakfast replenishes our glucose levels, giving us the fuel we need to start the day. Skipping breakfast can make us sluggish. Without that initial boost of energy, we might find ourselves feeling tired and irritable, struggling to get through the morning. It can be hard to focus when you're hungry. Our brains need fuel to function properly, and without it, our concentration and productivity can suffer. A nourishing breakfast sets the tone for the entire day. It can improve our mood, enhance our cognitive function, and even help us maintain a healthy weight. Let's make a quick and tasty breakfast sandwich. Start with whole grain bread, add some lean protein like eggs or turkey, and top it off with fresh veggies. It's perfect for busy mornings. You can prepare it in just a few minutes and take it with you on the go, ensuring you never have to skip breakfast. You can enjoy a good breakfast even when you're short on time. With a little planning and creativity, a nutritious and delicious breakfast can be a part of your daily routine, setting you up for a successful day ahead. You only need a few simple ingredients for this recipe. It's amazing how just a handful of items can come together to create something truly delicious and satisfying. Most of these ingredients are probably already in your kitchen. No need for a special trip to the store. Just open your pantry and fridge and you'll likely find everything you need right there. Let's gather what we need. Start by taking a look at your counter and pulling out the essentials. This is where the magic begins. 2 slices of bread, your favorite kind. Whether it's whole grain sourdough or a simple white loaf, choose what you love. 1 egg, fresh and ready to go. 1 slice of cheese, cheddar, mozzarella, pepper jack, your choice. Each type of cheese brings its own unique flavor and texture to the dish, so pick the one that excites your taste buds the most. Salt and pepper to taste. These simple seasonings will enhance the flavors of your ingredients. A pat of butter, rich and creamy, to add that perfect touch of indulgence. See? Simple ingredients for a fantastic breakfast. With just a few items, you can create a meal that's not only quick and easy, but also incredibly delicious. Let's get started and make something wonderful together. Grab your skillet. This is the foundation of our quick and delicious sandwich. A good skillet ensures even cooking and a perfect toast. Set it on the stovetop. Make sure it's centered for even heat distribution. Turn the heat to medium. This is crucial for achieving that golden brown toast without burning. Place the bread slices side by side in the skillet. Toast them lightly. You want a slight crisp, not too much, just enough to give it a nice texture. Crack the egg directly onto 1 slice of toasted bread. This method infuses the bread with the rich flavor of the egg. Season with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. These simple seasonings enhance the natural flavors of the egg. Cook until the egg white is set. This usually takes a few minutes. You want the white to be firm but the yolk still slightly runny. Place a slice of cheese on top of the egg. Let it melt slightly. The cheese adds a creamy texture and a burst of flavor. Carefully place the other slice of bread on top. Press down gently. This helps the cheese to meld with the egg and bread, creating a cohesive sandwich. Slide the sandwich onto a plate. Take a moment to appreciate your creation. Enjoy! This simple yet satisfying sandwich is perfect for any time of the day, whether it's a quick breakfast, a light lunch, or a midnight snack. Section 4. Fueling your day the right way. This simple breakfast sandwich is packed with goodness. The bread provides carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give us energy. The egg is a great source of protein. Protein helps us stay full and focused. Cheese adds calcium and flavor. This sandwich is a great way to start your day. It's quick, easy, and oh so delicious. Section 5. Your delicious journey begins now. Breakfast doesn't have to be complicated. It can be easy and enjoyable. This sandwich is proof of that. You can customize it to your liking. Add some spinach or tomato for extra nutrients. Use whole wheat bread for added fiber. The possibilities are endless. Section 6. A final word. Make breakfast a priority in your daily routine. It's an investment in your health and well-being. Start your day with a smile and a delicious breakfast sandwich. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel.